You're welcome to Mr. Hallelujah Maths class. Now let us peruse this question. Hallelujah. Now looking at the problem here, this is an equation that involves fraction. So what we are going to do without wasting time, we are going to cross multiply. We are going to cross multiply. Cross multiply. If we do that, it means that 6 will multiply this and 5x minus 1 will multiply this. So let us write 6 into x plus 1 is equal to 5x minus 1, because if this is to multiply this, it will still give you 5x minus 1. So on that note, let us open this bracket here. If we do that, it will be 6 equal to 5x minus 1. On that note, we can now collect like terms. This will move to this side, it will become negative 5x, while 6 will move to this side, it will become negative 6. So let us write 6x minus 5x is equal to minus 1 minus 6. So on that note, this will give us x equal to minus 1 minus 6 is minus 7, which is our final answer. Thanks for watching. Remember to follow the page, like, share, and comment.